Stocks are moving higher. From the Nifty space, we have Power Grid, which has moved to the high point of the day, and lower crude overnight has taken a couple of these beneficiaries of crude derivatives lower. So Asian Paints, that one should come up for you about 0.75% in terms of gain, just about in the last 15 minutes, currently sitting with a gain of about 2.5%. In the mid-cap end of things, it's a couple of these gold financiers which are doing well. Muthoot Finance, remember, near 36 quarter high loan growth coming in there. While the index is at the low point of the day, we have Muthoot Finance 7.5% higher, and behind that we have Manappuram Finance too, which is moving higher. But the talking point of all of last week and overnight as well was the OPEC meet, the decision, rather the indecision. Manisha Gupta joins us with a roundup of all the commodity and currency market action.
Well, thank you so much. That I wish you would add from Vienna to that, but next time maybe. So the crude oil prices, yes, have been very, very volatile. We saw 3% of a decline in the overnight market, and we still are awaiting on what the OPEC members have decided. But what we hear until now is that the OPEC members would want to sit with the allies, that is Russia, Oman, Kazakhstan, and then decide on what the quantum should be, what is the timeline that the cuts should be, and what month basis should that be. Is it on the November output numbers or October? As of now, we understand it's going to be on the October output, that the one or whatever output cut that we might really see. There, of course, has been a lot of pressure from US as well to not cut output. So that is something that the OPEC members have been discussing. And then, of course, there's a bit of a discord within OPEC, where we have seen Nigeria, Iran, and also Qatar actually exiting OPEC. And the other members also do not want to take too much of a burden in sense of cutting outputs, as their budgets rely on this. A lot of volatility is what we already have seen in case of crude oil prices. But just to tell you, what we hear from the markets is that if you see 1 million barrel per day of a cut, then the markets will consolidate and you will see a gradual increase for the prices. If it is anywhere more than 1 million barrels until 1.3, 1.4, then a very speedy rebound is what we will see in case of crude oil prices. But if there is no deal today, and if it is less than 1 million barrel per day, then perhaps you are looking at another $4 to $5 of a correction on the lower side coming in for crude. So today, of course, would be a deciding day on where the crude oil prices would head today and for the very near term. So important day. And in the meanwhile, as you can see, there is absolutely not no price movement happening in crude ahead of that most crucial announcement due today.
Manisha, thanks a lot for that. In fact, that's a birthday wish that you've made. Next year it could be in Vienna, and I have 1 year to work on my camera skills as well. I will accompany you as the camera person there.
No, I was quite good actually with the camera earlier.
Were you good with the camera? Okay, then I'll be the light person then in that case. All right.